Welcome. Are you tired of these charging blocks? Trying to find one in the house? Well, look no further. Now we got a USB receptacle. Let's show you how to put it together. Obviously, you're going to make sure the power's off. I'm going to take this receptacle out. And some of the receptacles back in the day, they would put on a switch just for the top of the receptacle. That's what that red wire is. So I'm just going to wire nut those two together so they just continue feeding power throughout the receptacles in the room. Just wired up the other one.